Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and today we're gonna be looking at a video titled "Dads Guessing Who's High." Now I know a lot of parents think they know their kid, so they're like, "Yeah, man, I could tell that you started smoking." I remember hearing that when I was a kid too. Like, yeah, I could tell that you were smoking at this age and this, that, and the third. So we're gonna see some dads here trying to figure out if they could tell if somebody is high or not. If you guys are new to the channel, man, you are welcome to stay. Hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications, drop a like, and comment down below and tell me, do you think you can do this challenge? Do you think you can guess if people are high? And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
I don't know. It's like a pine cone, sort of a smell.
Hey, wait,
It's
did
like,
these people smoke before?
Yeah, no.
Or how long before? You know, it'd be funny if they actually only took a capsule
Hey, I'm
and there's
Bob.
no smell and he's just making shit up.
Father of 3 boys, 24, 22, and 19.
Do they all smoke weed?
The oldest one is sober, as I am. The other two, definitely.
My daughter, she is 17. She doesn't smoke. That's a good thing.
How do you know?
You know what? I don't know for sure.
Exactly.
Okay.
I can kind of tell.
What does somebody who's high look like?
They're just really chill. Their eyelids at half mast.
Red eye.
Right away, I know that white guy is gonna get everybody wrong. Like, he thinks he has all the descriptions, but yo, there's some people that just are chill normally. Like, you don't need weed to be like that. Like, that's just how it is. The dad that was smoking with the dreads, that doesn't know if his daughter smokes, I don't know how good he's gonna be, to be honest.
Giggly.
How do you spot if you're
Giggly.
Very obvious. He would need a floor jack to open his eyelids any further.
You know,
That is
they're at
wild.
an appropriate age. As long as they have their priorities intact, you do what you want.
I would prefer my daughter not to smoke. If she did, so be it. I
It'd be like that.
mean, don't be like me, but okay. Yeah.
You ready for the line?
I guess so.
Come on with it.
Let me look at this line.
How you doing?
Good, you?
I'm good.
She high.
Guys don't look.
So I'm just gonna look at the for a second. Who do I think is high? I think she's high, 100%. I think she's definitely high. This guy over here in the blue shirt with the collar. And I'm gonna go with my guy over here in the beanie. That's my 3, and I'm sticking to it.
Like red. You are standing in one place, not moving and concentrating on it, it seems like.
What do you like to do in Seattle?
I'm a workaholic, so I'm usually at the airport or in downtown at my jobs.
Cool.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I watch everything: horror, Asian drama.
That help
Asian
you?
drama.
No, that threw me kind of off.
I don't think she's high.
Yeah, she's not high.
What does a high person look like?
Me, I mean,
Not high.
Not high.
Workaholic.
I work at the airport, so I don't know.
Probably drug testing there.
Oh, that is true.
Thank you.
Well, I don't get the answer?
You gotta wait. You gotta go through everybody.
Oh, I gotta go through
Okay,
everybody.
okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, I get it.
I still think she's high.
People tend to think that you're high.
Yes.
Why is that?
Tattoos, I guess.
They
What?
have somewhat of a cultural resemblance, I guess.
take off your glasses one time. What do you do for work?
I'm a system administrator intern.
Okay.
What?
High. He got some goals, but he is high.
Feeling hungry right now?
Yeah, a little bit. Haven't
Yeah.
eaten today.
So, like, what's...
Haven't ate today.
Honestly, I don't really snack, so.
All right. Right on.
Okay, he's definitely high. Right now. I'm sorry.
I don't think he's
answering
high.
Questions. He's taking a while. He's concentrating a lot. Usually, when they focus so hard, they're under the influence.
Well spoken, considered answers. You're not all about snacks. I don't think he's high.
Yeah, I don't
It's
think
all right. What's your name?
Jimmy.
so. Yo, why he standing like that? You see his feet?
Tell me about yourself, Jimmy.
Trying to go to school to become a pilot. You have to have.
Bro, he has to be. There's no the way he's talking already. Again, I did say like some people are probably like laid back and shit, so that's probably why he sounds like. But I think this guy's high. I'm gonna go with he's high too. I did say that from the start.
1,000 hours of actual like flight, like the simulator thing.
Oh no, wait.
1,000 hours?
Can he
He
be
is
high?
He definitely is looking to the side. Doesn't want to do eye contact, and I definitely noticed that. He's chewing on the gum ever so much, like he's trying to hide it. Like, yeah, man, it might see through.
You look like you could smoke some weed, man. It looks like you just want to chill
You
out.
do
know
look
what I'm
like
saying?
that.
What are your hobbies? What do you?
Game, go to the gym.
Hey, yeah, I think he's high.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Not much.
All What do you
All
do?
right,
What's
I
your-
take it back.
I'm a barista.
Okay.
Get out in the woods a lot?
I don't get out much, but
Why don't you get out much?
it's kind of boring to me.
All right.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes.
He's high.
He's not high.
He's not high?
He's not high.
I'm gonna say he's high. That's not a bad thing, but
No, yeah,
don't
I'm
feel
not
like mad or
offended.
whatever.
Joel here is high.
Why do you
Yeah.
feel that way?
Because you asking me just now, why do I feel that way? It took a while. It took a while to have that sentence come out. So that's why I feel that way.
Yeah, I feel like he's high too.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
She's high off top. And I'm. I mean, when you walked in, your eyes told me that you were high. Okay, what do you do for? What is your line of work? What do you do?
I'm a personal trainer. I work for Lululemon. I'm also into leasing. So I have 3 jobs.
I know busy people that still
Okay.
smoke heavy.
I would say that she is high. Just your body language, your mannerisms.
Boom. Yeah, you're high.
I don't think she's high.
What do you do for fun?
My biggest hobby is improv comedy.
I think he's
like,
high.
up on stage, making stuff up on
Yeah, I think he's
spot with
high.
Friends.
We're gonna do a little improv.
And you're gonna use this to help determine if I'm high or not.
That's the goal.
All right, I'm high, and you're giving me news that shouldn't be funny.
Son, we're gonna have to cut the cable off in your room, and you're not gonna be able to stream anymore.
Okay, let's slow down.
You know, the account came back. You're subscribing.
Dad, you gotta relax sometimes.
I'm
you know?
relaxed. I think I'm very relaxed.
I feel like you should stop and smell the roses. That's what I'm doing.
You know, the roses are outside, son.
I think he's.
So you're
I
gonna
think
have
he's
to
naturally like this.
and find a place to stay. Okay.
And sing.
I think he's still like that.
So based on that,
I would say he's not high.
He look high. And that's it.
why do I look?
I still
It's
stick
in
with
your
this
eyes.
guy.
A little red. They're pretty low. He's smiling a lot.
I feel like I'm getting interrogated by my dad. Like,
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
You can head back.
I might be wrong about that one.
All right, let's see.
Show of hands. Who did Shane guess correctly? Well, 50-50.
Oh, wait.
Okay. All right. All right.
Raise your
Oh,
hand
yeah, I
if
said those-
Bob
I said those
guessed
threes.
correctly.
Life is a series of bets, like betting on the deliciousness of those generic discounts.
Wait.
Oh,
What did I
man.
say? I didn't say he was high.
Jeez, I suck.
And you were high.
Damn.
Yeah, I told you. I told you.
How did
I
I,
knew
not
it.
get this?
So I actually said all
How long
4
you been
right.
smoking weed?
Over 10 years. I have arthritis in my wrist.
Okay.
She looked
Is
like
this, like daily.
a stoner.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
airport job where you didn't think would get drug tested. They don't.
They don't drug test.
How does your family feel about you smoking weed?
They don't.
That's
know.
America
They
for sure.
think it's just as bad as heroin.
Oh shit.
Well, that ain't
Way-
good.
yeah. Very traditional. So.
Are they gonna watch this? Okay, you gonna just?
They don't know the show exists.
Okay.
I don't think they will pop up.
Still mad at
That
you.
would that would be so funny. We'll use a WhatsApp or something like that. What if those things had like advertisements or whatever and it popped up and this video came up and it was her face? That would be so fuck.
You got some more wrong.
Yeah, I know. I got it.
All right, this is the one
That's crazy.
you got correct.
So you're not high. Do you ever smoke?
I mean, I've tried it like multiple times just cause.
Just to see what the fuss is about.
I mean, I don't know what
Do
seemed
you
high
think
about
weed
him.
is bad or just bad for you?
I just don't like it.
Okay.
I think edible was the worst. 30 minutes passed, and we were like at the museum. I was like,
Oh,
I
then
felt
you-
like I had no legs.
Wait, you went somewhere after
Yeah,
that?
I was
Okay,
like-
yeah. See.
I
Yeah,
felt
you
like I had
fucked
no
up.
legs. My girl had to like drag me out there.
I've never tried it, but I never
to
would.
get me.
Okay, yeah. You don't need to smoke weed. That's yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nah.
So I guess that you were high.
I am.
You are high. All right, so I was right.
What gave it away?
You just really chill, mellow. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? The excessive gum chewing. If it is.
How long you been smoking?
2 years now.
Welcome to the club, man. All right. All right.
Thanks, guys. So welcome to the
How old
club.
are you?
22.
And you just started at age 20?
That's
Okay,
good.
Why'd you wait?
My parents told me it was bad.
Okay.
And I just-
Were they right or wrong?
Wrong.
You ever smoke with your parents?
No. Would you ever smoke with your kids?
Yeah, when they're at the appropriate age. If they were your age, I would smoke with them.
Those days are behind me, I think.
Why'd you
Yeah,
stop
no.
smoking?
Alcohol was my drug of choice, and I just
Drug.
got way too into that. And when you stop,
Oh, I can tell.
everything you-
That way too into that. That sounds like this guy was an alcoholic. It's not no casual drinking shit. But he got way too into that.
Anyway, so
I was like, let's not give you my life story
Yeah,
here.
you got me right.
You don't smoke weed at all, right?
No, I've
See.
never smoked weed or done.
Okay.
Oh, I got him wrong.
No,
Oh, okay. So you're like nothing.
I'm just
Yeah.
pure.
High off Here.
I grew up in like a fundamental religion, and I've also just never been interested in smoking weed or.
how old are you?
Fair enough.
22.
Interesting. So you still like pay attention to the stuff your family says?
Well, sometimes. They're my family.
Yeah.
You won't ever try it, not once.
I don't think I will.
Okay.
Do you have
Fair
sex?
enough.
No.
I mean, I don't need details, but yeah. I got it.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Did I get you right? Of course I did, because those eyes, I told you she looked
I
hot.
smoked right before that.
Oh, I got her
before walked
wrong.
out.
See?
And then I was like, I shouldn't have done that.
Do you smoke, or do you like gummies, or?
Just about anything, honestly. I'll eat edibles. I don't know if
Okay.
you've tried dabs before, but
Oh,
No, that was
fuck
kind of before
no.
my time.
well,
so.
they're pretty cool.
Okay.
I bet it's pretty cool to send your ass to the hospital.
Since I was in high school,
Not gonna lie, you look like you're still in high school.
and I get that a lot.
What do your parents think about you smoking weed? Do they know?
I mean, they definitely found my pipe in high school,
Oh,
and then I
shit.
told my mom that I light my incense in it, and I just.
Oh
stick the
my
thing in it.
god, that
She
is so
believes it?
funny.
Yeah, she'll smell it and she'll be like, "Do you smell that animal?" Like she does
Oh,
not know.
the
Everyone
skunk.
else in my family smokes, so it's like,
Oh, you got a family
Yeah,
smoking stuff?
yeah.
See?
Soft.
Great people.
You guessed I was high.
And you are not.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I
you
got
were
it
kinda
wrong. I
mad
got
when
like two.
when I get. Tell me about that reaction.
I wasn't mad. I was surprised.
I guess that you were not high.
And you were correct. You were the first one to get me right.
I did say okay, so
Smoked before?
I've never smoked before.
guessing
Why don't you smoke?
guessing what people were actually high, I got some wrong there, but the dad's guessing, I got those right. I knew that white guy was gonna get shit.
Is like one of the assets of myself that I respect most deeply.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if I do something that like will permanently damage that, like that's something I'm really worried about. I also really care about my longevity. I want to live forever.
Is that what you
Live
heard
forever.
about weed? Like, it'll just knock off.
I've made it this long without doing it. It to start now feels almost like why bother? You know?
Okay.
Fair enough.
Should try weed. You definitely should try it. But yeah, I'm not.
Yo, if he smokes, if this guy in the plaid shirt or whatever, I don't know what the fuck he's wearing, but if he smokes, you could tell that he will be on that shit 24/7.
You already look. You got the look. So I'm just saying.
From a dad
Yeah.
himself.
Yeah,
Try weed.
there you go. Try. Yeah, damn.
The reason I'm chill with my children doing stuff is because they have to just learn on their own. If, in my
I
opinion,
don't think I agree with that, because my kid comes home and tells me he wants to try crack, fucking bath salts, or fentanyl. I don't think I'm gonna be like, yeah, learn on your own. That's kind of
a little sideways, I might say something.
a little sideways, eh?
Probably not gonna like harp on somebody.
So this is the second dad that says I should try weed.
Oh, you've never even tried
No,
it?
I've never done it.
Oh, all right. Well, yeah, I'd celebrate that.
With,
You celebrate that
trying
I've
it.
never done it.
No, I would celebrate if you went and tried it. Like,
Okay.
good for you. You know, see what's up. Why not? See what the fuss is about.
I'll think of you if I ever try it.
All right.
What the fuck was that?
How old were you the first time you got high?
13, 14?
12.
Okay, what's too young?
Anything below
12.
like 17.
Yeah,
Unless,
I think you
okay,
should
that,
start
that,
at,
that
like,
might change
20,
too if you're like a kid
18.
genius.